I'm back with a quick update based on the current progress. Whatever point we discussed in the last meeting, I have given you an email update. I just wanted to show you the progress. So the first action was to have the thinner line for the graph. So I have tried to reduce the size of the each point that is plotted, and that line has come to this shape and size. Hope this is good. Secondly, I have added the slider and the X and Y axis scales. So this is one menu item which will allow to set X and Y axis range. So this is say start range and the end range for X axis. This is the Y start range and Y end range for the Y axis. So I need to do some work on the background. So I have just created a front-end graphical user interface as of now. Secondly, I have also added the slider adjustments where user can specify the slider start point, slider end point, and the scale with which every unit should increment. So this is just one sample. This is also little. This also is not working as of now completely. So if I, this is the default configuration that I have created when the first time the GUI loads. So this is the default set of scales. Now, if user tries to change it, it should change. However, for my current program, it is not yet reflecting because I'm yet to work on the backend. Third was writing the breathing data to a file. So this is one file in which I am logging all the data. I'm logging the date, and the time, and the breathing volume. Here it shows 0 because of the calibration logic. I am ignoring first 10 seconds of sample data, and for every sample we received, we have to keep the point on the x-axis. So I'm reducing that sample value from itself, and it boils down to 0. So this is how, and see, this is the sample after the 10 seconds. So this is the cumulative volume value which I'm going to put on the graph. So you can see these values as a fraction, double values. So this is, I hope this is what you expected when you asked me to log the time, date, and the breathing data. Coming back to our normal GUI again. So in the calibration logic, the main part was adjusting the baseline. In the calibration logic, what I have done so far is adjusted the initial breathing data so that I am able to find some calibration value. However, since we have that accumulation logic as well, we have to accumulate the data for up to 50 milliseconds and then start plotting it so that we can see the rise and the fall in the curve. That logic is like messing up with this new calibration logic coming into play. So that's what I'm currently working on and stuck with. You see, up to for say initial 10 seconds, the time to up to which I'm calibrating, it shows the flat line going for the 0 level. However, after that, when I stop calibrating and I start accumulating, this starts going up. And for every sample I receive, as per you mentioned in the email, I have to add the calibrated value to every sample data. And it starts increasing. It starts increasing, and like if you see, like I'm not breathing in or breathing out, but however, it is going higher up. So this is what the existing graph plot code has like has been affected with this new calibration logic. I'm working on fixing this. I hope that covers all the points that we had to talk about. Yes, the thinner line is done. Sliding bar resolution, yes. Baseline shift problem, I'm actively working on this, and log file is done. So this is also this second item also, the front end is done. I need to work on the back end. Okay, that's all for the quick update. I shall keep you posted. Or anyway, we are meeting on the Monday, so I'll show it on the Monday. Thank you.